Hey guys, you're welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing yet another product review as always, and the product I'm going to be reviewing is the bio oil. So please stick around for the entire video so you can hear all I have to say about this amazing oil. Yes, welcome back guys. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a review of the bio oil. This is the one I got. Actually, there are two types of bio oil in the market. I have not used the other type. I'm going to look for a picture of the other type of bio oil that's available in the market and just place a picture of it somewhere up in this video so you guys can know. But this is the one I purchased just to try it out. This is the 25ml bio oil, and this is what the container looks like. My apologies, I finished using the bio oil before I even remembered that I have not done a review of it. So yes, the container is empty, but I still have to do the review of this bio oil. So how I used this bio oil was I added some of it to my body lotion and utilized it until that one finished, and then for the other half of the body lotion I just applied the bio oil on top of my body lotion after I finished applying. What am I describing? Let me explain myself to you guys. So I used this bio oil in two ways. First way I used it was to add it to my body lotion and mix it together. The other way I used it was as an occlusive. That's after applying my body lotion, I go over it again with the bio oil. That's what I was trying to say. Forgive my confusion. Yes, so this bio oil, what I observed while using it is that it's really great for toning the skin. It gives you an even tone and a radiant look, and it also helps with scars. If you have scars on your body, I had this scar, I don't know if you guys can see, you can see it's fading it out slowly. That's something I observed while I was using this bio oil. They say it works on scars, stretch marks, uneven skin tones, aging and dehydrated skin, and yes, that's all. I definitely noticed some changes with the appearance, the scars on my body while I was using this bio oil. It evenly toned my skin, as well as it's really hydrating. I have to say that this bio oil, even if you use it alone, it will really hydrate your skin. So it does all that. However, I can't really say much about the stretch mark part of this bio oil because I really do not have stretch marks, so I've not been able to try it out to see if it helps to clear out stretch marks. So like I said, there are two types in the market, and I'll be putting a picture of what the other type looks like. This is the smallest size of the bio oil you'll find in the market. This is 25ml. There's also a 100ml, I believe, container of bio oil in the market. To the price, I purchased this bio oil for 900. I'm going to check, confirm from my receipt and place it on the screen, but it's between 900 and 1000 naira for this size of bio oil. Now, another really great thing about the oil, everything just falling apart. Another really great thing about this oil is the smell. It smells really nice and mild. The scent is not choking. You guys know that I always complain when a scent is really choking and it hits you. This bio oil doesn't really do that. It's just really mild and calm on the skin, as well as the scent. The scent is really friendly. So it absorbs easily into the skin. It has a nice scent. It has different bottle size, so you can purchase the one that suits your purse, that you can afford at any point in time. If you have a lot of money, you can buy the big size. If you don't have so much money, there's also this small size that you can buy. The soft nice scent, I already talked about that. I already talked about the fact that it clears scars and dark spots. But something I also have not mentioned is the fact that it's non-greasy. This bio oil, it's a pinkish, I don't know, I finished it, so I cannot really show you people what the color of the oil looks like. But I'm going to look for it and put a picture of it for you guys so you can see. It's non-greasy and it just, absorbs very fast into the skin. so you can use it as an occlusive, as well as add it to your body lotion, and you would really enjoy using this bio oil. Hey God, I'm showing people my newscaster, but this is where I write all the things I want to talk about, just to make sure that I don't forget anything. So if you want a body oil that is affordable and is really going to tone your skin, this is one oil. Bio oil is one oil to definitely try out, and I bet you see results. Some of the ingredients in the bio oil are paraffin liquidum. I'm going to skip anything that is very hard to pronounce. Paraffin liquidum, isopropyl mestyrate. This thing is in all the oils I review. Retinol palmitate, that's like retinol. Tocopherol acetate, that's a form of vitamin C. Lavandula oil, calendula extract, glycerin soja oil, tocopherol. What else? Limonen. Only God knows what this is. Anyway, it's manufactured in South Africa. Yes guys, that's about the cream. The body oil, I'm not really sure of what the difference is between this one and the other type in the market, but I'll try and purchase the other type, use it, and see which one is better, or which one, I don't know if the other type is a fake, or even if it's this one that is a fake. But I'm also going to purchase it, find out, and do a review for you guys as always. So that's about the bio oil, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my other videos. Bye guys.